everyone, Susan the Bookmobile lady here. I would love to invite you to participate in our summer reading challenge. The goal this summer is to read for 25 days. It doesn't end until August 15th, so you have plenty of time to complete your goal. You will earn cool prizes along the way, so for every 5 days that you read, you can earn a prize. You can read anything you want. That includes books, magazines, newspapers, even listening to stories. Believe me, I do a lot of driving on the Bookmobile, so I listen to a lot of stories, and that all counts towards your summer reading goal. So dust off your Beanstack accounts that you used last summer for summer reading. You can also stop into any of our library facilities, including the Bookmobile, and we will help you get started. So the Bookmobile will be out in full force this summer, so please check out our website to see our complete schedule. So I am now ready to stock up the Bookmobile with a lot of new books. So I will see you this summer. Bye.